How to connect TP-Link AX1800 Wi Fi 6. Alright guys, so your first step would be to simply unbox and check your components. So inside the box, you should have the router, the power adapter, and an Ethernet cable. Once all of those are found, all you need to do is just simply connect it to power. So plug the router into a power source and turn it on. Once you have, you can now simply connect an internet cable by connecting your ISP cable or modem to the WAN port of your router. Now, once you've done that, all you need to do here is to simply connect your phone or PC to the network. So connect to the Wi-Fi, to the router's Wi-Fi using the default name and password of the label. And then once you're done, you can now go ahead and set up via the TP-Link Tether or a browser. So open the TP-Link Tether app or go to 192.168.01 in your browser to begin setup. And then once you're done, you can now begin customizing your settings and setting your Wi-Fi name and password, saving your settings, and then simply reconnect to the Wi-Fi once again, and then test your internet connection by opening a speed test to confirm that everything is working. All right.